Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tanmoy Karmakar. I am a student of third year of Computer Science and Engineering at Deputy International University. I am from Tangail. My father's name is Ranjit Kumar Karmakar and my mother's name is Mamata Rani Karmakar. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I passed my SSC in Bale Government High School in Shirazganj, and I got a GPA 5. And I passed my ACC in Major General Mahmudullah Hasan College in Tangail, and I got a GPA 5 also. I have few heavy hobbies. I love to play cricket and listening song and reading books. I prefer to listening song in Bangla and English basically. Then I am passionate about learning new technology like web development and cyber security. Now I have completed a few basic projects and I am currently studying in computer networking and DBMS. This basically this laptop the Daffodil given is every student, so it is very important for us. For us, this laptop is very powerful and advanced technological laptop. I can do many things about this laptop. I can do my skill development and many things. Then having a personal laptop will help me do projects, making projects and practice coding and attend online classes and seminar. Then I can do this in my professional life. In this laptop I can do many things in this laptop. Having a laptop is very important for every student, because this is very impactful for us. This laptop, we cannot do anything. We cannot do anything in without laptop, because we can make every semester we can make presentation slides and many video making. So we need this laptop is very important.